In this video, you will learn how to edit a playlist on YouTube in 2021. You can edit a playlist in different ways. You can edit the title, edit the description, change the privacy settings, reorder videos, and remove videos. On the left side of your screen, select one of your playlists. To edit the title of the playlist, click on the pencil icon, which says Edit Title. Now you can give the playlist a new name, for example, Thailand Beaches. Click on Save. To edit the privacy settings of the playlist, click on the small arrow. Now you can change the privacy of the playlist to Public, Unlisted, or Private. To edit the description of the playlist, click on the pencil icon. You can now fill in a description. When you are ready, click on Save. To reorder videos in a playlist, move your mouse over to the left side of the thumbnail of a video till a gray bar appears. Click and hold your left mouse button and move the video up or down. To remove videos from a playlist, on the right side of the screen, click on the three dots and select Remove Video. Congratulations! Now you know everything about how to edit a playlist on YouTube.